Would you actually cook in this kitchen? Or run the other way? Because what are you looking at right now? It's not a design choice, it's a design disaster. But don't worry, we're not stopping here. Today, I'm reviewing some of the ugliest and most stunning kitchens out there. And I'm not holding anything back. You'll get my honest, unfiltered take, what works, what fails, and what makes a kitchen go from ugh to unreal. We'll talk about layout, lighting, colors, materials, everything that makes a space functional and beautiful. And if you're thinking of updating your kitchen or just love design drama, this video is for you. You'll not only be entertained, but you'll also learn real design tips that you can actually use in your own home. So, let me ask you, have you ever seen a kitchen that made you say, "What were they thinking?" Let's dive in. First up, a kitchen that's truly hard to look at. The ugly kitchen breakdown, why it fails. Alright, take a good look at this kitchen. At first glance, it's just off. But let's break down why this space isn't working, because design fails always have a reason behind them. First, the layout. It's way too cramped. The fridge is squished next to the stove, the counter space is nearly non-existent, and there's barely room to move. You shouldn't feel like you're doing a puzzle just to cook a simple meal. Next, the colors. Wow. Mismatched wood tones, dull beige walls, and a green tile backsplash that feels like it came straight out of 1983. Instead of feeling warm or cozy, it's just chaotic. It clashes from every angle. Now let's talk about the lighting. Overhead fluorescent bulbs are casting a cold, blue tone over everything. It makes the kitchen feel harsh and outdated. And don't get me started on the lack of natural light, it's like a cave here. Then there are the little things that add up. Old hardware, greasy cabinet doors, and decorative clutter that doesn't add any charm, just more visual noise. Everything feels heavy, worn out, and completely disconnected. Honestly, this kitchen doesn't just look outdated, it feels uncomfortable. The kind of space that makes cooking feel like a chore rather than something you enjoy. And when your kitchen looks like this, you're less likely to use it, less proud to invite people in, and probably dreaming of a remodel every time you make toast. So here's the question, can you spot the biggest mistake in this kitchen? Is it the layout, the lighting, or the overall vibe? Stick around, because up next, we're going to see what a stunning kitchen actually looks like, and why it works so well. The stunning kitchen example, what makes it work? Now this is what good design looks like. Take a moment and really look at this kitchen. It's clean, calm, and everything just feels right. There's a clear balance here, not just in how it looks, but in how it functions. Let's start with the layout. It's open and easy to move through. The work triangle. Sink, stove, fridge is perfectly placed. There's room to prep, cook, and clean without bumping into things or feeling boxed in. This is a space that works with you, not against you. Now look at the colors. See how everything flows. Soft white cabinets, warm wood floors, and just the right pop of color on the island. It's modern but still feels inviting. The tones are warm and natural, giving the whole space a relaxed, high-end vibe. And the materials, wow. You've got sleek quartz countertops, a clean tile backsplash, matte black fixtures, all tied together in a way that feels effortless. Nothing here is fighting for attention. Every detail has a purpose, and it all works together. Don't miss the lighting either. This kitchen uses a mix of natural and artificial light beautifully. Big windows let in daylight, while pendant lights and under-cabinet LEDs create a cozy, layered glow at night. No harsh shadows, no cold blue tones. Just soft, flattering light that makes everything look better. And storage? It's all there, hidden in plain sight. Deep drawers, pull-out shelves, and even a little nook for your coffee maker. It's proof that smart design doesn't have to be flashy. It just has to be thoughtful. This kitchen is more than just beautiful. It's functional, comfortable, and totally livable. You can tell it was designed with real life in mind. So let me ask you, what's the one thing you love most about this kitchen? The color palette? The layout? Or maybe how everything just makes sense? Coming up, we're diving into a major design element that can make or break a kitchen: color and material choices. Don't miss it. Color and materials, from disaster to designer approved. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in kitchen design: color and materials. Now look at this kitchen. Everything is beige. The walls, the cabinets, the floor. It's like someone was afraid to take a risk. And what happens? The whole space feels flat, lifeless, and honestly, forgettable. Color changes everything. It affects the mood, the energy, and even how clean or stylish your kitchen looks. That dull beige? It makes the kitchen look older than it is. There's no contrast, no depth, and nothing to catch your eye. But now look at this, same layout, but with better choices. A deep navy island, clean white cabinets, brass handles, and natural wood shelves. Instantly, the kitchen feels fresh, modern, and full of personality. The contrast between light and dark draws you in. The mix of textures, smooth countertops, matte finishes, warm wood, adds richness and interest. And let's talk about materials. Cheap laminate counters, plastic knobs, and shiny faux finishes might save money up front, but they almost always look dated fast. On the other hand, investing in quality materials, like quartz, solid wood, or even just well-made hardware, elevates the whole space. It doesn't have to be expensive. Even simple upgrades, like painting cabinets or swapping outdated tiles, can totally change how your kitchen feels. Here's the rule: use color to highlight your favorite features, and materials to ground your space in quality. A well-chosen palette makes everything feel pulled together, even if your kitchen isn't brand new. So tell me, if you could change just one thing in your kitchen right now, what would it be? The color of your cabinets? The flooring? Maybe that old countertop you've been meaning to replace? Coming up, we're diving into something that most people forget about, but it can totally transform your kitchen: the layout and storage. Let's go there next. Storage and layout. Hidden fails versus clever fixes. Let's be honest, bad storage and a messy layout can ruin even the most stylish kitchen. Take this one, for example. At first, it didn't look terrible. But then you notice the clutter: appliances sitting out, pans stacked awkwardly, spices crammed into random corners. Why? Because there's nowhere to put anything. The cabinets are too small, the drawers are shallow, and the shelves? Useless. And the layout? It's all over the place. The stove is jammed in one corner, the fridge opens into the wall, and there's zero flow. It makes cooking feel chaotic, like every task takes 3 times longer than it should. Now compare that to this kitchen. Same square footage, but completely different energy. Everything has a place. Pull-out shelves, deep drawers for pots, vertical dividers for cutting boards, a hidden trash bin, even a smart corner cabinet that actually works. This is what I call functional beauty. You don't have to see everything to know it's there. And that's the point. Good kitchens feel clean and organized because they're designed to support you, not overwhelm you. And the layout? It just flows. The sink, stove, and fridge form a perfect triangle. There's space to prep, space to cook, and space to clean, without bumping into someone or walking in circles. It's not about having a giant kitchen. It's about using the space smarter. One of the biggest mistakes people make is filling their kitchen with stuff but not thinking about how they use it. Storage should be built around your routine, not the other way around. So let me ask you, does your kitchen help you or slow you down? Because when storage is smart and layout makes sense, cooking actually becomes fun. Next up, we're talking about one of the most underrated design features that can make or break your entire kitchen: lighting. Let's shine a light on that, literally. Lighting, the most underrated design feature. Let's talk about something most people don't even think about: lighting. It's one of the most underrated design features in a kitchen, but it can completely change how your space feels. Now, look at this kitchen. The design isn't awful, but the lighting? Terrible. Harsh overhead bulbs casting shadows everywhere, making the space look flat and cold. The countertops are hard to see, the corners are dark, and the vibe? It's more hospital than home. Lighting like this can ruin even the most expensive kitchen. Now compare it to this one. Right away, it feels brighter, warmer, and more inviting. What's the difference? Layers of lighting. You've got soft overhead lights to brighten the room, warm under-cabinet lights that make food prep easy, and accent lighting that highlights the backsplash and shelves. And then there's the real MVP, natural light. Big windows or a well-placed skylight can make your kitchen feel open, airy, and alive. The truth is, lighting isn't just about seeing better, it's about feeling better. A well-lit kitchen feels clean, cozy, and ready for anything, from morning coffee to late-night snacks. And here's something else. Warm-toned bulbs are your best friend in the kitchen. They soften harsh shadows and make colors pop in the best way. Bright white lights can make your space feel too clinical, while warm light adds that welcoming glow we all love. Even a small change, like swapping a bulb or adding a motion light strip under a cabinet, can make a huge difference. So let me ask you, have you ever noticed how lighting changes the mood of a room? Because in the kitchen, it's not just about style. It's about comfort, clarity, and creating a space you actually want to be in. Coming up next, we're putting it all together and showing a side-by-side of an ugly versus stunning kitchen. You don't want to miss this face-off. Final face-off, ugly versus stunning, side-by-side. Alright, now it's time for the final face-off. Take a look, we've got two kitchens side-by-side. Same size, same layout, even the same general budget. But the results? Couldn't be more different. On the left, we've got the ugly kitchen. Beige overload, bad lighting, cluttered counters, and materials that feel cheap and outdated. The space looks tired, cramped, and honestly, a little sad. Now, look at the right. The stunning kitchen. Clean lines, beautiful lighting, warm tones, and materials that feel thoughtful and high quality. It's open, it flows, and it actually invites you in. You can feel the difference, right? So what made this transformation possible? Not more money, just better design choices. Smart layout, balanced colors, quality lighting, clever storage. It's all about knowing what to do with the space you already have. Too often, people think you need to get your kitchen or spend a fortune to make it beautiful. But the truth is, even small changes, like updated hardware, better lighting, or a splash of color, can take your kitchen from boring to brilliant. This side-by-side proves it. Design is everything. One kitchen drains your energy. The other gives it back. So let me ask you, which kitchen would you rather walk into every morning? The one that makes you sigh? Or the one that makes you smile? Because your kitchen doesn't have to be huge or expensive. It just has to be well designed. Coming up next, I'll give you a few quick, actionable tips you can use right now to make your kitchen look and feel better, without a full renovation. Let's jump into that. Designer tips, how to avoid ugly mistakes. Let's say you're looking at your own kitchen right now and thinking, mine's not terrible, but it's not great either. Don't worry, you don't need a full renovation to make a serious upgrade. Sometimes, it's the small changes that have the biggest impact. So here are a few quick designer-approved tips to instantly improve your kitchen, without breaking the bank. First up, paint your cabinets. If they're old or outdated, a fresh coat of paint in a modern color like white, navy, or soft green can completely change the vibe of your space. Don't underestimate the power of color, it sets the whole tone. Next, update your handles and knobs. This is one of the cheapest upgrades you can make, and it makes a big difference. Sleek black, brushed gold, or matte nickel? They all add instant style and feel more modern. Now let's talk about lighting. Swapping out an old ceiling light for something warmer or more stylish can make your whole kitchen feel more inviting. And don't forget under-cabinet lights, they're a game changer. Also, Declutter your counters. This one's free and makes a massive impact. Hide the appliances you don't use daily. Clear the space. Let your countertops breathe. You'll be surprised how much cleaner and more expensive your kitchen suddenly looks. Bonus tip: add one personal touch. A small plant, a wooden cutting board, or a framed print. Something that makes the space feel yours, but still tidy and intentional. Remember, good design isn't about being fancy, it's about being thoughtful. When you fix the little things, the big picture starts to come together. So let me ask you, what's one design mistake you might be making right now? Outdated lighting? Too much stuff on the counters? Maybe those cabinets you've been meaning to repaint. In the final section, I've got a quick takeaway that'll help you see your kitchen in a whole new way. Let's wrap it up. Closing thoughts: brutal but helpful. Let's be real, ugly kitchens aren't hopeless. Most of the time, they're not broken, they're just waiting for the right touch. A little attention, a few smart changes, and suddenly that disaster of a kitchen starts to look like something worth showing off. Because here's the truth, you don't always need to start over. You just need to see your space with fresh eyes. Maybe your kitchen isn't as bad as you thought. Maybe it just needs better lighting, a pop of color, or a little less clutter. Or maybe it is stuck in the past, but now you know exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. The best part? You don't need a designer budget to make a designer level difference. You just need to know what works and what doesn't. Every ugly kitchen we looked at today had a fix. And every stunning one followed a pattern: smart layout, simple materials, thoughtful lighting, and a sense of purpose. You can totally have that too. Start with one change. Then build on it. Before you know it, your kitchen will feel brand new, without tearing down a single wall. So let me ask you, is your kitchen closer to a disaster, or a dream? And more importantly, what's your next move? Because if you've made it this far, you already see things differently. And that's the first step toward a better, more beautiful kitchen. Alright, now it's your turn. Want me to review more kitchens? Maybe even yours? Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of space you're dealing with, cluttered, outdated, or almost there. I'd love to hear your kitchen stories. And if you found this helpful, or even just entertaining, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest reviews, real design advice, and tips that actually make sense, whether you're planning a full remodel or just updating what you've got. Trust me, your kitchen deserves better. And with the right changes, it can look and feel amazing. So let's keep the conversation going. I'll see you in the comments.